Investing for Beginners, Building Wealth the Smart Way. This video is a gem for those new to investing. This video will help you build wealth smartly. If you're a beginner in the world of investing, you're in for a treat. Start your investing journey with a goal in mind, building long-term wealth. It all begins with education, understanding different investment vehicles, risk tolerance, and setting clear financial goals. Essential strategies for beginner investors. Diversification is key. Diversification is like the backbone of your portfolio. It helps spread risk across different assets, reducing the impact of a poor-performing investment on the overall portfolio. It's a crucial strategy for minimizing risk. Long-term vision over short-term gains. Patience is key. Don't focus on the long-term game only. While short-term gains can be enticing, it's the compounding effect over the years that truly builds substantial wealth. Think marathon, not a sprint. Tips and tricks for smart investing. Tip 1. Continuous learning. Continuous learning is a must. Read books, follow reputable financial news sources, and stay connected with the investment community. It's about adapting to the changing landscape. Tip 2. Start small, stay consistent. You don't need a large sum to begin. Regular contributions, even if they're modest, add up over time. It's the consistency that matters. If you found inspiration in this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-life financial success stories and practical tips. Remember, you're not alone in your financial journey.